The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Scott County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Jamestown, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oneida, Winfield, and Big South Fork National Parks. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Tennessee.